Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, super healthy, super cooking easy cinnamon roll spread. Turn any bread, anytime into cinnamon rolls. So delicious. This is the game changer for all cinnamon rolls fans. Made with just 3 ingredients. And so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, pour half a cup of almond butter into a bowl. Along with a quarter cup of maple syrup. And a tablespoon of cinnamon. Next, just mix it until super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super easy cinnamon roll spread! Thanks for watching!